Today I want to share a quick review of the WYZE Bulb Cam security camera, and honestly, this thing is a really clever idea. It combines a motion-activated security camera and a smart light, all powered directly from a standard light socket, so there's no wiring and no hassle. The camera gives you a wide 160-degree view, records in clear 2K HD, and even has color night vision, which is great for keeping an eye on things after dark. I also really like that you can pan 360 degrees and tilt up to 90 degrees so you can dial in the perfect angle. Setup was super easy too, thanks to Bluetooth pairing, no QR codes needed. The built-in 800 lumen LED bulb is dimmable, and I actually picked up the accessory bulb so both lights on my back patio would match in color. It worked perfectly and really cleaned up the look of the space. One thing to note, I did need to buy a light socket extender so the camera could sit past the length of my glass light fixture. Once I did that, it worked exactly how I wanted. You also get two-way audio, free motion alerts, and 24/7 local recording with a micro SD card. No subscription required. Overall, this is a smart, affordable way to add security and lighting at the same time, especially for patios, porches, or backyards.